Alright, I'm Halie Dyer and we are going to be doing the badminton underhand serve. So first I'm going to demonstrate what that looks like before I go over it step by step with the critical elements that are involved to be able to teach you so you can learn from this video. So first I am standing in a badminton court and my goal is to hit it to the opposite side to start the game of badminton. So what a serve looks like is, and I will show you one more. Awesome. All right, so in a badminton serve, the birdie must be contacted below the waist in order for it to be legal. There is no overhand serves in badminton. It's only underhand and has to be contacted below the waist. So some critical elements are step in opposition. You are going to hold the birdie by the feathers and swing your racket, drop, contact, and follow through. So that is going to look like step in opposition, hold the birdie by the feathers, contact, and follow through.